Hey guys, I'm Natasha. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, then welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about hairstyling, and I thought I should share it with you because they are super easy. As you can see, my hair is, I don't know, for some reason a little bit oily now. In fact, I washed my hair yesterday, but I don't know what happened. So as you can see, my hair is frizzy and it's not straight, it's wavy and frizzy. Also, these hairstyles are quick, simple and easy. Without a further ado, let's get started with the video. So starting with the first hairstyle, a quick disclaimer is that I have lost my hair ties. I just have these one, like this one in blue color. I cannot find them, like not in blue, in black color. I cannot find them, and I just have like these colorful ones, and I'm going to use them. I'm so sorry. So our first hairstyle looks like this. This is a bun. So I'll just show you. First you need to comb your hair obviously, and then put it up into a high ponytail. Let me just do that quickly. As you can see, my hair is up into a really high ponytail. Now what you need to do is just divide this into two sections like that, and I look crazy. And take like this kind of rubber band, and this is like going to be hidden in your other rubber band, so you can just take any color that you need and just put it around it like that. It should give this sort of effect. Now what you need to do is you can either twist this and round this up, or like leave this like that and then round it up. I think I'll just twist and see if it looks a bit good. So as you can see, after I round it up, secure it with this pin. What is this called? I don't remember. This side is done, and you need to do same thing with like the other side. And that's the bun. It's not going to fall off, trust me, and it will stay as long as you are like really like so. And this is how it looks. Of course, like I have some flicks, so it does ruin a little bit, but you cannot see like unless I am like really close to the camera. So I think this hairstyle looks really good. Now moving on to our second hairstyle, which looks like this. And this is basically, first you need to put your hair up into like a half up, half down situation, and then I think this hairstyle is called fishtail. I don't really remember what it's called, but it's super easy. So let me just put my hair up into half up, half down. So as you can see that I have my hair up like this. Now this is like the tricky part. You need to take this thing and make a whole sort of thing in between this, like a loop, and then what you need to do is take this and put it under that, and then just pull this thing out, and it gives you this sort of shape, which looks pretty good, I guess. And once you have this, you need to take another part from down. You have your hair in this sort of position, the lower ponytail, you need to do the same thing with it as well. Just take the whole thing, twist it in the loop, take it out, and that's your hairstyle. Also guys, the hairstyle that I showed you right now, if you do it like with a color of hair tie which is like really close to your hair color, because it doesn't look that good, I would say, with these kind of colors. So you can do what you want, you're free. Moving on to our third hairstyle. This is how it looks, and it's basically a bun, but like half up, half down bun. Is that the right word? Yes, I don't know, maybe. So, yeah. First, you need to take all of your hair and put it into a half up down situation, and then I'll see you what to do. Okay, so once you have this sort of situation, take this upper ponytail and take the rest of your hair in front, because otherwise they are going to disturb you a lot. After you do this, just take your ponytail and wrap it around, and then you need to secure it with a bobby pin like that, and that is your hairstyle. It's a kind of messy, but I think I like that. Also, you can put it on like top and make it like a half bun, or you can take it a little bit more lower. I would suggest to take it a little bit more lower, or you can leave it the way I have done. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified the next time I upload a new video on YouTube. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!